Okay guys, so on this Nissan Frontier 02, we're going to remove the 18 bolt right there, let it drain all the way, much that you can, and then put the bolt back on, then go all the way around and remove the 10mm bolts all the way around. Then on this one, well, it should goes, it has these brackets right here on the side. So it goes like this, and then hold this down into, for that line. But if you remove the bolts, the brackets come off, and then this just hanging in there. Then you'll be good. And then keep going all the way around, remove all the bolts, and then we have to drop the pan out. So we just drop the pan. Right there. Last one. There's nothing in here. Another one. There should be another one right here. One more left. Okay, we got that right there. So right now I'm gonna hang it one side. You see right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. Right there. Until you drain all the way. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold it in here. I'm gonna move one thing out of the way. Bring the pan closer to the bottom of the transmission, and then so it keeps draining in there. Just let it drain. In this case, this one right here, if you can see the magnet right there, it's full of, transmission debris or stuff like that, metal thing. It's a lot, but there should be something not really bad at all. I'm thinking, but this transmission has not been serviced for a little while. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the filter. Now for the filter, we're gonna remove all the 10 bolts. You see there is let me see where this one's at. It's one right here. That goes right here on this side, and then the other one right here. Let me get this. I hit the camera right there, and I can see that right there. Yeah, you can see. So I'm gonna remove this one. That's one right there. Let it drop in there. Another one. Another one. There's another one. Oh, 10 falls. And then there's another one right here. Let me get the other 10 because it falls in there. Okay, I'm gonna use this other 10 because the other one fell in there. So, yeah, okay, we got this one right here. Let me see if it can pop it out. It should pop. Okay. It should pop now. This thing is dirty too. I don't know if I can show that. Or you can see that. Let me see. No, I don't think so, but you can see it probably metal on the right there. But it's dirty too, so it should be ready to go. Then we're just gonna let it drip right there. Let it drip, and then I'm gonna put some pressure on the line, or maybe flush it later on when I get it on the other side on the return line. But yeah, that's the way you drop the pan, drop the pan, and remove the filter. Now don't forget to clean the pan, brake cleaner, and get the another gasket, just to make sure, because you have no leaks, and clean the magnet real good. And what I'm using, I'm gonna put the picture top of the video of what fluid I use from the store, and then what's the part number on the filter. So, and I'm gonna put the torque on the bolts. It should be around about 10, probably 10 pounds on each bolt. But and I'm gonna show you the review. So keep it tuned. Okay, guys. So I'll put the new filter on. Bolts, it's a 10 pounds, 10 pounds each bolt. 04, 3, and that one. Now we're gonna put the ball cover. The transmission pan. And same thing. Bolts going to 9 pounds. You can go 10, and then it should be good to go. And then you do increase cross, so don't just start from the center and goes back, and then goes the other side, same thing. And you put that one back, and then we're gonna add a fluid to it. Okay, guys, so this is where the stick goes for the transmission right there. And here I got the stick, right, I already pull it out. And then I'm gonna use this funnel. I got this one from O'Reilly's. It's 10-7-12, and it fits right on that hole right there. It fits right on. Just push this back, and it should fit right on that one. So we're just gonna squeeze this one in there. You just have to do it. I have to use both hands anyways, but I can't right now, so I'm gonna use this one, that one right there. See if it right there, so you can just dump the fluid in here. You're gonna use 4/4, and that's gonna be, that's a way. That we need to do. Then let it run for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Check the fluid again and make sure it's right on the spot, which is right there. It ends when it's hot. It should be up here, right there when it's hot. And then the max that you can go, it's gonna be right here. That's your max right here. So make sure it's like between here and here. But it should be 4/4 that you pull out. You just have to put 4/4 back on, right? So my helper right now is sleeping, so we let her sleep. That's why we talking like quiet, so he can't hear us. All right, guys. So I hope that video helps and save you money and time. If you like what you're seeing, just thumbs up and subscribe to it, so you can see updates on new videos coming up. So see you next time, guys. Peace.